Alright, welcome to Hateley Motorsport. Well, I should be working on that thing, getting ready for the Vic title in a couple of weeks' time. It's nearly tea time here at the Hateley Motorsport headquarters and can't be bothered. I've been doing a bit of work on the old truck here in the shed, been catching up on a bit of stuff with that. And there's a job I want to do. I've been walking past the gearbox out of this truck for the last couple of weeks on the floor, kicking it around, and it's annoying the hell out of me. I've got to move it, and it looks like crap. It's just covered in grease and oil and shit, and I just want to clean it up and put a coat of black paint over it, make it look nice and neat and tidy, so when it goes back in I can, hopefully with a pressure washer, keep it clean. So, that's what we're going to do. Spend the next 20 minutes cleaning it up and put a coat of black paint over it and see how it goes. So, we'll rip the gear stick out, just a push down and turn, there it goes, just a bayonet type fitting, and we'll hit it with a brush and some degreaser, clean it up, give it a coat of black paint. Alright, bit of quality old cheapo can of degreaser, and we'll give it a good scrub with a brush for the fine one. Safety first, don't want to end up back in hospital again. Getting a piece of steel picked out of my eye. We've got her all cleaned up, ready to go. We'll got it brake cleaned it, you know, get all the moisture off it and all the oil off it. I'll let that dry for 10 minutes and should be ready for some paint. Now, I've been getting asked all the time what's going on with the truck because, well, we haven't made any videos about it lately and we've been getting it organised. In amongst racing and stuff, things have been pretty busy. So I've been just doing little projects like this gearbox, just bits and pieces, fixing up bits and pieces of rust. I've done a lot of the rust work. And sort of getting ready to go. Hopefully I have it going during long weekend. Not sure if that's going to happen yet or not, but we'll see. That's the plan. I've got most of the brakes sorted. I've got all the rust fixed. You can see I've been fixing rust flat out. There's been holes in it everywhere. Patched up the back of the cabs here. Got that sorted. Tanks mounted. Interior sorted out. I've got all my pedals on the floor. Seats, all the seat mounts are done. I've got to clean this out. Just got to sort out the grille and remount all these guards. We're going to just put some tubes through here to remount the guards. That's all pretty well done. That's all pretty well right to go. We can get that sorted sooner rather than later. Tyres sorted for it. I've got some new wheels sorted for it. Got some tyres half sorted for it. Got some new tyres sorted for it. Got some new wheels sorted for it. Got some new tyres 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 sorted for it. Got some We're going to fix that up. I've got all the rear suspension done. Radiator's down here. A new fresh radiator for it. The engine's in at work. The engine's in at work getting done. I've got that in there. The heads are in there. The block's going in there tomorrow. Hopefully get that put together over some lunch breaks and stuff at work. So that's getting sorted. I've got the diff over here. I've just pieced together most of the bits for this. We've just got to put all this back together, get that sort of put up, some fresh bearings and stuff, and that's ready to go. Yeah, like I said, I just decided I'd paint this gearbox just for the hell of it, just to make it look nice and while we're going with everything else. So, hopefully that's a bit dry now. I'm going to have a fish through my paint cans and see what I got and see what colour we can paint it. Might end up fluoro pink yet. Dry enough to me. Right, I've managed to find myself a tin of quick dry satin black. That'll do it. Look at that. Good enough, I reckon. If you want to see more videos of me getting this truck going, see how we go, see what happens when we race the sucker, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you all next time. Probably working back on the wingless sprint, getting that ready for the Vic title.